In this video, I'm going to go over the community post of match cell value in the next entire column and copy corresponding output. Now I'll let you pause the video and read the rest of this setup. Otherwise, I will start jumping into this now. What the user is looking for is they have project numbers and ID numbers and portfolio numbers, and they want to be able to find this project number AB1234 within the ID column right here, find the corresponding portfolio number, and append that back up to this first row. You'll notice this second row doesn't have any appended value. That's because AB1235 is not found within the ID column. Now if we jump to the next one, AB1239, we can see that is right here. And we want to return the 68400, which is right here. So all we need to do is turn this dataset into two streams, compare the project field to the ID field, such that we can append the portfolio field. So the first thing I'll do is I'm going to create a second stream down here, where we're just looking at the ID and the portfolio. Now since we want to join it back on the ID field, we want to make sure that this is unique so we don't create duplicates in our dataset. So we'll go ahead and add a unique tool and dedupe by ID. Now we need to join this top dataset with this bottom dataset matching on ID. To do that, we can go to join. So we want to take the project ID, match it to the ID, and where there are matches, we want to return this portfolio number, which we can call logic output Alteryx. Now, if we hit run, you'll notice that what the user wanted to be output is what we were able to output by these matching IDs. But let's not stop here. Let's clean up the workflow. Let's add all of the data back together with this union tool. We can join the matched data and the unmatched data. And we have it all here. Now, we want to make sure that this is going to be ordered correctly. So one method I like to do that is by adding a record ID tool to this top stream. This allows me to give a unique ID to each one. And after I do all the joining and things get reordered, I can simply sort by this ID field. This will get everything back into the original order. And then I can remove the ID field since I no longer need it. Now what we have is the original data in the original order for the first three columns and our output as they expected. Now if you like this video, please give it a like. Otherwise, I look forward to seeing you on the next one.